Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizzie G, and if you are a Mean Girls fan like me, just keep watching. Okay dolls, we're gonna start with this design with this liquid peel-off tape. It's kind of like a latex. I got it at Bornprettystore, and we're going to cover our skin like so and wait for it to dry. It has to be like completely dry. Once that dry, it's gonna turn totally transparent. We're gonna do this finger too. For this nail, I got the Sinful Colors Bloomblast. It's a glittery pink. It's a light pink and it has this little confetti. I think it's really pretty and it's gonna match the rest of the nails. And for the middle finger, I use this one, which is from Pure Eyes. Here is the color. The name is Love. And I'm gonna use that one to do this nail also. And the pinky. Alright, as you can see, the liquid latex, it's already dry. It looks totally transparent. I'm gonna use this one. It's a darker pink from Pure Eyes, and this one is Fiesty or Fiesty, whatever. So I'm gonna put this color in this nail. Just one coat. It's really opaque. All right. While these 2 or 3 are drying, this one that is already dry, I'm gonna grab the glitter and I'm just gonna use a makeup sponge like this one, and I'm going to lay some color in there just to get rid of it and end up with just glitter. The trick on this one is just to get rid of the color or the base and use the glitter. If I use directly the brush that is in here, it's gonna end up with just 1 or 2 glitters on the nail. So this helps to have more glitter instead of actual paint, if that makes any sense. Once that we have this, I'm just going to dab into this nail and lay all the glitters. Now that I finish with this, I'm going to take the makeup sponge again, and I'm going to grab the 2 pinks that we used, and I'm gonna lay the dark right here and then the light like this. I'm going back with the dark one again to kind of like mix them together, like in this area, just a little bit. Once that I have that, I'm gonna go in and dab it on this one like so, and it's not gonna show right away. You have to do several coats and then it's gonna show up. You see? It's getting the color more and more. The more that you do it, the more it's gonna blend and it's gonna show a little bit more. Okay, once that you're happy with the colors, you're gonna let it dry for a little bit, just like a few seconds, and then you can grab a regular top coat. In this case, I'm going to use this one that I got from Sally's. And we're going to lay a layer. And this is going to help to kind of like melt those colors together. And now we're going to do this nail, the pinky, just like this one, but it's going to be like upside down. We're going to grab the dark one again, put it in the sponge, and then grab the lighter, and then we're going to flip it and dab. Like that. And like the other one, you have to do it like several times so you can get the opacity that you want. Alright, once that dry a little bit, you're gonna get rid of the latex around it, and if you need to clean up, like in this corner right here, you can use a brush with acetone and clean it up. Alright, I'm gonna do another layer of top coat in every single one, and I'll be right back. Okay dolls, this is the end result. I hope that you guys like it. It's really simple to do. Actually, I really like this sponge technique. It looks really cool. And I will see you next Wednesday. Remember that I upload videos in English every Wednesday. And for my muñecos out there, every Friday I upload in Spanish. So I will see you then. Thank you so much for being here. Remember that I'm gonna put every single item that I used today down below so you can check it out. You can follow me on social media if you want. At the end of this video, it's gonna be there. And I send you all a big, big, big kiss. Mwah!